Making soft Kaleji Masala AKA liver is one of those recipes where spices are less important. What matter is the technique. Even if you add only salt and pepper, you can make the best liver curry. The trick is to make it soft and juicy. Hello and welcome back to Cooking Story, and this is Smita. So let's make today delicious and spicy liver curry. And the ingredients are yogurt, homemade garam masala powder, coriander seed and cumin seed, bay leaves. With that, some basic masala: salt, turmeric powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, onion, tomatoes, green chili, garlic cloves, ginger. Now, our lovely mutton liver. You can also use chicken liver if you want. Now, take a bowl, add 250 grams of mutton liver, cut it into small pieces. Into this, add 1 tablespoon of yogurt. After that, add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of salt or as per your taste, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Now with your hands mix everything well and marinate it for 30 minutes before cooking it, as mutton liver has a strong smell. So to avoid that, you have to marinate it for at least 30 minutes. On the other side, let us boil 3 cups of water. Into that, add 1 tomato, cut it into small pieces, 1 large onion, 2 to 3 thin slices of ginger, 2 green chilies and 8 to 10 garlic pods. After that, let it boil in a medium-high flame for 5 minutes. Then we will add half teaspoon of coriander and cumin seed. Let it boil further for 5 minutes. After that, with the help of a strainer, remove everything and make a fine paste with a mixer grinder and keep on the other side for the later part of the cooking. Now take a pan, add 2 tablespoons of mustard oil, and once the oil heat up properly, then we will add 2 to 3 bay leaves, and once these bay leaves start to crackle, then we will add the onion paste which we had done just now. Next, in a medium-high flame, stir it well until it dries up from all the sides and it starts to stick at the bottom of the pan. After 3 to 4 minutes, let the onion cook. At this point, add half teaspoon of sugar, as adding this sugar it will give a nice color to the liver curry. Again, stir it well and then cook another 5 to 6 minutes. So our onion will be perfectly done. You can see from this that onion is well done. So it's time to add our marinated liver with the marination, and again stir it well thoroughly so the masalas are well covered with the liver. Then cover and cook in a very low flame for at least 8 to 10 minutes. So in between you have to open and scrape so that it doesn't stick at the bottom. Next, scrape it well and then add 2 cups of water and half teaspoon of garam masala powder. Then cover and cook for 10 to 15 minutes in a very low flame or until our liver is well done. Finally, open and check the tenderness of the liver. It's looking marvelous. The texture, the color are just perfect. So why are you waiting? Do give a try and do comment in my comment section below so that it motivates me to do my best, but they also help others to find me online. Thank you for supporting me till here, and if you like this recipe, then don't forget to subscribe my channel Cooking Story and hit the bell icon so whenever I upload new recipes you get the notification first. Now serve in a serving plate. Enjoy this with roti, naan and paratha. And I am pretty sure if you make it once, you will be definitely making it again and again. Thanks for watching. See you again with another new episode of Cooking Story. Till then, stay healthy, stay wealthy, enjoy cooking. Bye bye.